Exciting announcement. Blum new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Blum Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Now, let's jump into the video. Blum on Telegram, airdrop, listing date and what investors need to know. April is here, and so is an exciting new opportunity in the crypto space, Blum. This innovative hybrid crypto exchange is available directly through a Telegram mini app, blending convenience with gamified ways to earn tokens. Whether you're replaying games or completing simple tasks, earning Blum tokens has never been easier. With the Blum Airdrop now live, it's the perfect time to jump in and start collecting rewards. But what's next? Let's break down everything you need to know about the airdrop, the upcoming token listing, and what the token generation event, TGE, means for investors. When is the Blum token listing? The official Blum token listing is expected to happen in spring 2025. While an exact date hasn't been confirmed yet, the token generation event, TGE, is scheduled for April 2025. Blum's team will be sharing updates via their official Telegram and social media channels, so make sure to stay connected for the latest announcements. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the scene, Blum offers a fun, user-friendly gateway into crypto. Don't miss out on the airdrop, and get ready for the listing. Stay tuned for official announcements and exact dates. Download gateio app, unlock $40,000 exclusive prizes. Download gateio app to complete multi-platform trading anytime and anywhere, where you can keep up with first-hand crypto trends and be the first to get updated on hot events. Complete tasks from gateio app, and you will stand to split $40,000 prizes. Click the button, enter the page to sign up for the event, how to participate in the event. Register now, how to register an account on gateio app. Download the gateio app to enjoy benefits. Download now, enter the app to unlock tasks and win prizes. How to complete identity verification. How to participate in hodler airdrop. Click here for more help guides. Bonus 1, complete tasks from gateio app to earn $1.060 bonus and split extra $10.000 rewards. During the event period, download the gateio app and complete tasks within the app to enjoy rewards of up to $1.060, as well as sharing extra $10.000 prizes. Task details, rewards. 1. New users who register and download the app, complete spot trading or futures trading of any amount within the app $10. 2. Spot trade on app greater than or equal to $200, or futures trade on app greater than or equal to $1.000, $30 to $50 random rewards. 3. Spot trade on app greater than or equal to $10,000, or futures trade on app greater than or equal to $50,000, $100 to $1.000 random rewards. For first-time joining hodler airdrop or launch pool on gateio app, share $10,000 rewards. Bonus 2. Invite new friends to share $10,000 rewards. Invite friends to register and download gateio app and complete their first transaction on the app. If spot trading on app greater than or equal to $200, or futures trading on app greater than or equal to $500, you will receive a $20 to $30 random reward. You can earn invitation rewards by inviting up to 50 new users. How to invite new friends. Copy your referral link and share with friends to invite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on your problem in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.